Stu, what's wrong? Did you drop something under your house and you can't get it? What is it? What's under there? You need help? Let's see what it is. What is it? Oh, it's your cookie. You dropped your cookie. Do you want Mommy to get it? Stu? Stewie, you want Mommy to get your cookie? Yeah? Okay. Want me to get your cookie? Yeah? Okay. Let me get it. Yay! Eat your cookie.